Hardline's TeleOp suite just got better. Welcome to TeleOp Assist. TeleOp Assist is an added feature to TeleOp's base system. TeleOp allows tele-remote operation of heavy machinery from a control station in a safe area on surface or underground, regardless of distance. The use of tele-operated machines promotes safety, as the operator is removed from dangerous environments. TeleOp increases profitability and production, improves work efficiency by operating during shift changes, taking advantage of downtime between blast cycles, and enhances work-life balance as there is no need to travel to fly-in communities. A TeleOp control station can be set up hundreds of kilometers away. Upgrading to TeleOp Assist now provides operators with intelligent steering assistance and collision detection. These features keep underground LHDs off walls, even with little clearance on either side of the machine. Assist will automatically steer to handle the articulation adjustments required to center the machine in the drift while increasing tramming speeds. What makes TeleOp Assist so dynamic is its unique features, including the use of real-time 3D LiDAR technology. Two LiDARs mounted on the LHD provide more robust fault tolerance in uneven or changing ground conditions. The 3D advantage allows Assist to better identify its surroundings, be it ground, drift walls, or even vent tubing. The system can tell the difference and decides what to avoid and what to ignore. With Assist's adaptive technology, a pre-scan of the drift is not required, providing significant cost savings. TeleOp Assist is a perfect fit for areas that are being blasted and where surroundings are changing often. The TeleOp Cruise Control feature is further enhanced with the use of Assist. This mode allows an operator to set a fixed throttle position, reducing operator fatigue, so time-critical operations like loading can be focused on. Temporarily adjust throttle when needed. The system includes a time-saving advantage known as the takeover command. When it's time for the operator to take full control, it can be done seamlessly with the touch of a button. There is no need to stop, not even slow down, when transitioning between modes, whether it's TeleOp Assist or TeleOp Auto. The operator can use multiple control layouts for ergonomics, comfort, and reduced training times. What makes our TeleOp system thrive in any mode is the intuitive interface. Essential controls are kept large, while extensive diagnostic and troubleshooting tools are only a click away. Assist provides even greater benefits when integrated into the full TeleOp suite. TeleOp Assist is brand compatible, as it can be installed on any LHD, no matter the make, age, and model. Make it easy, make it safe, and stay the course with Hardline's TeleOp Assist.